There have been some very disturbing, incidences in the last, 15-20 days. First of all, senior IPS officer Puran Kumar have been compelled to take his own life, that is go for suicide, by some of the IS and IPS officers as per as the suicide note is concerned. Then there was a shoe hurling on the CJ in an open court. And third, Om Prakash Valmiki was killed, a Dalit boy was killed in Raebareli. Such type of caste discriminations are going on in this country. On one hand, Modi, the Prime Minister, is saying that we want to develop developed India, we want to create a developed India, Viksit Bharat. And on the other hand, there are, caste-based atrocities are going on. Caste discrimination is rampant in India. So this contradiction cannot go together. If you go with a caste-based society and caste discrimination, you cannot build up a Viksit Bharat, that is a developed India. For becoming a developed India, you must first become a developed society, a progressive society, a scientific society. Without becoming a scientific society and a progressive society, you cannot become a developed nation. That is a very important thing. And as far as India is concerned, we are very behind as far as the various parameters are concerned of the developments in science and technology, in education, in per capita productivity, in per capita income, in the land mass. We are very well behind America and China. And if we want to become a developed country, then the precondition is that we must become a scientific society in a modern society, that we are not. And such IS and IPS officers, it's very amazing that even after literacy and higher education, the mentality of caste still remains in such IS and IPS officers. Actually, they are a blot on the system, they are a blot on the bureaucracy, and the government and the society by and large should think whether we want to become a developed country or still remain an archaic, a caste society. So this is a challenge. And as far as these incidences are concerned, the scheduled caste people should not get worried. They should keep on their development path and fight on the basis of with the help of law and constitution. That is what I would say. And as far as the Atrocities Act is concerned, the law of reparation should be brought in it, and the person who is committing atrocity, the perpetrator who is committing atrocity, must the amount of loss must be recovered from it by valuating crore, 2 crore rupees or 3 crore rupees as per the losses which have been incurred. So the law of human rights is to be brought in the Constitution of India, in the Atrocities Act. That is very much essential and has become very much essential. And we must ensure that this time, legal action is taken properly, so such type of cases do not happen in future. And India must change if at all it is serious about becoming a developed country. With caste discrimination and caste system, you cannot become developed India. That is my message. Thank you. Thanks a lot.